Hello, friends. We're here again for day 4 of your sounds lessons this week, and we're going to get started with your rhyming words. We're going to change it up a little bit today. I'm going to say a word, and I want you to try to give me as many words as you can think of that rhyme with that word. Try to give me 5 words if you can think of them. Ready? Our first word is sock. What rhymes with sock? Did you think of rock or clock or lock, dock, flock? Good, those all rhyme with sock. All right, our next word is flat. What rhymes with flat? You could have said slat or that or hat or mat. All right, great. What rhymes with bright? Did you say night or sight or flight? Maybe tight? Good job. All right, one more. What rhymes with snow? You could say throw or blow or no or go. All right. Excellent job with your rhyming words. Now we're going to move on to beginning sound. So I'm going to say a silly sentence, and all the words in the sentence have the same beginning sound. And I just want you to tell me what that sound is. Ready? Our first sentence is, do dogs dig dirt? Do you hear the D sound? D, dog. What about yellow yaks yawned? You should hear a y sound. Good job. What about Sam sings silly songs? Right? Sam. The next one is little lambs looked lonely. Ooh, right? Little. The next one is real robots rarely rust. Do you hear the r sound? Robots. Last one. Please pluck plump plums. Great. Do you hear the p sound? Good job. All right, let's get ready to chop up those words. Ready? Our first word is grapes. Grapes. Good job. Our next one is blast. Blast. Excellent. Our next one is sleep. Sleepy. What about rabbit? Rabbit. All right, last one. Plump. Plump. It's a tricky one. All right, your turn. Are you ready? Our first word to chop up is doctor. Go ahead, chop that word up. Ready? Doct or doctor. The next one is jacket. Ready? Jacket. Jacket. The next one is counter. Ready? Counter. Counter. The next one is breezy. Ready? Breezy. Breezy. All right, last one. Chop up the word street. Ready? Eat. Street. Make sure you chop up that blend at the beginning. All right. Now we're going to listen for the last sound in the word. So I'm going to say a silly sentence again, but I want you to tell me the last sound of each word. Each word has the same last sound. Ready? Our first sentence is, Ted played hard. Ted. The next one is Jake took Zeke. Do you hear the k? Jake. The next one is Sis hunts snakes. Good. Can you hear the s sound? Sis. What about Pam swam home? Right? Pam. The next one is Will Jill still fall? Oh, right? Will. And the last one is Fred found old bread. Right? Fred. Okay. Now we're going to hold our hands up like this, and we're going to say one sound, the first sound, the last sound, and clap it together. Ready? The first sound is ran, add ch. Ranch, ranch. The next one is store, add So storm, storm. Ready? Goal, add f. Golf, golf. The next one is bell, add t. Belt, belt. What about 10, add t. Tent, tent. And the last one is gram, add p. Gramp, gramp. Great job. Now let's take away the last sounds. I'm going to give you the whole word. Take away the last sound. Tell me what's left. Ready? The word is self. What's self without f? Sell, self. The next one is milk. What's milk without k? Mill, milk. The next one is felt. What's felt without t? Fell, felt. The next one is tense. What's tense without s? Ten, tense. The next one is inch. What's inch without ch? Inch. And the last one is plant. What's plant without t? Plan, plant. Great job. All right, last thing we're gonna do is change the middle sound in the word. So I'm gonna say a word. If it's easier for you to chop up the word or stretch it out first, you can do that, or you can just listen for that middle sound and change it. All right, our first word is kit. Change I to I. So k, it becomes kite, kite. The next one is ride. Change I to E. So ride, we're changing it to read, read. The next one is pan. Change A to A. Pan becomes pain, pain. All right, our next one is cub. Change A to U. So cub becomes cube, cube. All right, last one. Our word is hop. Change A to I. So up becomes ip, hip. Whew, good job. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the hard work. We're all done for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, friends.